I'd like to embrace the fire with him and let it take over. What spices up your life? My guest, Jean-Claude Constandse, spices up his life by the thrill of competition. Jean-Claude.
What's up?
El famoso chancla.
What's up?
Why do they call you the flip-flop?
It's a long story, but my mom gracefully decided to call me Jean-Claude, being Mexican, right? And so in kindergarten and elementary, my friends could not call me Jean-Claude. So one very bright kid said Jean-Claude, and then they said Chancla, and they kept it like that. And so ever since kindergarten, my nickname has been Chancla.
I know that you're a world competitor. Can you please tell me what spices up your life?
Triathlons, sports, the passion for competition is really something that spices my life. It has allowed me to travel the world and develop more skills and more experience, and it's been a very rewarding phase of my life.
Could you please tell me how you transition from swimming to the bike?
It's a delicate balance how you apply a transition, because if you do it too fast, you might miss some critical elements that can help you for the next phase of life. And that applies to regular life or anything that you do in life, right?
You know, we are also in a transition in our company into a real Mexican pasta. And I agree with you. It's a very delicate stage where we are trying to be as fast as possible to be out in the market.
Right.
But we got to do it right. And we want to be the first ones, and we want to be the original ones, and we are clearly marking our path to it. But you say it's your second best strength. I think I can beat you in a transition.
So do I hear a challenge coming? You want to challenge me for a transition? Not a challenge.
I'll invite you to a transition.
Sounds good. Okay, I'll accept the challenge.
Okay. On the count of 3. Chanclas, that was super fun. We should transition to the kitchen. Check the pasta.
Sounds good, man. Please don't take that water. And then, what's the famous Mexican expression?
Spice up your life.
Eso, I like it.
Don't forget to click down below for more recipes and more episodes. Remember, we need to know what spices up your life.